In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. All you need to do is access clock and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner to access this plus icon. Then adjust your alarm however you want to. Set up an hour, pick one of those repeat options, name it, and hit ringtone. Now after selecting allow, you can pick one of those melody options or hit on this device to click on any song from your smartphone. Hit vibrate to pick one of those patterns, disable vibrations or synchronize them. Choose snooze to decide how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, or turn it on or off, and save your alarm by hitting done at the top right corner. To manage it, click on it, change whatever you want to and hit done. To turn it on or off, use this switcher and tap on one of those options in the pop-up. And to get rid of it, hold it and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!